If you're thinking about getting the Wyze Video Doorbell V2 for your home security and package deliveries, hold on. That's exactly why you need to watch this honest review first. I dove deep into this $59.98 video doorbell that promises 2K head-to-toe video, color night vision, and smart notifications. But here's what surprised me. It's not all roses. Despite having a solid 4-star rating on Amazon, there are some major headaches that could make you regret the purchase, especially if you aren't tech-savvy or want a truly seamless experience. So, should you buy the Wyze Video Doorbell V2 or steer clear? Let's unpack it together. You've seen those flashy ads boasting crystal-clear 2K video and color night vision that sounds like it belongs on a spaceship. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2 promises all that, and more. Its starlight sensor claims to amplify low light so you don't miss even the sneakiest porch crashers in dim lighting. It also has two-way audio, smart notifications, and voice deterrence features, all at a budget-friendly price under $60. Sounds like a steal, right? But there's a catch. First, let's talk installation because, surprise, it's not wireless. The Wyze doorbell actually requires wiring into your existing doorbell setup with 16 to 24 V AC power, which might throw a wrench in the plans if you were expecting simple plug-and-play. If you're renting, or if your current doorbell isn't wired, installing this is a serious headache that likely means hiring an electrician or digging through some frustrating YouTube tutorials. For non-techies or those who want quick setup, this is not the doorbell. But don't tune out yet, there's more. Now let's dig into the video quality. Yes, it shoots in 2K, which looks sharp on paper, but customers complain about inconsistent video clarity, especially when viewing through the app remotely. Sometimes the video feed lags or even temporarily freezes during important moments. The color night vision is a great feature, but in low-light situations, it tends to saturate colors unnaturally, turning your front porch into a neon dream sequence that makes it hard to identify visitors clearly. So if you're counting on perfect video evidence every time, be prepared for some hiccups. One of the biggest pain points, besides installation and video quality, is the doorbell's dependence on local storage. It supports continuous 24/7 recording via a microSD card, which is sold separately, by the way. No cloud storage plan comes free with this product, so if your SD card fills up or malfunctions, you could lose important footage. For many, this local-only storage feels like a step back in 2024 when even budget cams offer decent cloud options. Plus, if someone steals your doorbell, yes, it's happened, your recorded footage goes with it. That doesn't exactly scream peace of mind. Rehooking you here, imagine this. You're eagerly waiting for a package. The Wyze doorbell sends you a notification. You open the app, engage two-way audio, and shoo the delivery guy to leave your package at the side door safely. Sounds ideal, but the audio lag and occasional app crashes ruin the moment. There's an obvious lack of polish in the app experience that makes interacting frustrating. For those who value smooth, real-time conversations with visitors, this might fall short. Another point worth mentioning is the voice deterrence feature that tells visitors they're on camera when enabled. While it's a clever idea for scaring off potential porch pirates, in reality, it sounds robotic and sometimes unintentionally scares the mailman off too. Friends, I don't want to be that guy who sounds like an alarm clock on steroids, yelling, "You are being recorded," every time someone drops by. It might actually annoy your neighbors more than protect your property. Weatherproofing is solid, though. Rated IP65, this doorbell stands up to rain, snow, and dust. So if you live somewhere where Mother Nature likes to throw tantrums, this little guy can handle the abuse. That's a win for durability compared to some cheaper weather-resistant doorbells that start glitching after a rainy week. Now, who exactly is this doorbell for? If you're looking for an entry-level wired doorbell with solid core features and are comfortable with a DIY installation and occasional quirks, the Wyze Video Doorbell V2 might be up your alley. It's perfect for homeowners on a budget who want basic video monitoring without breaking the bank. On the other hand, if you need hassle-free setup, consistent app performance and cloud storage included, this probably isn't your best pick. Here's a little story. My cousin, a first-time homeowner, installed this doorbell enthusiastically after watching tons of glowing YouTube ads. His experience: installation took 3 hours, half a dozen trips to the hardware store, and 2 YouTube how-to videos for electricians later. After setup, the notifications were delayed, and one morning he missed a package delivery because the app glitched. He joked that the doorbell was more like a door slow. This echoes the experiences of many customers online. So while the price is right, the real-world experience might leave you wanting more. Are you wondering how Wyze stacks up against competitors? The Google Nest Hello or Ring Video Doorbell generally cost more but offer seamless installation options, reliable cloud storage, and smoother app interfaces. This is what you get when you pay a premium. But again, the Wyze stands out for people who prioritize budget over convenience and extra features. By the way, here's a joke to lighten things up. Why did the doorbell break up with the door? Because it felt pushed around. Hopefully, your Wyze doorbell doesn't feel that way after a rough installation. Let's talk price fluctuations. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2 is currently around $59.98 on Amazon, but prices tend to shift. Sometimes during sales or promotions, it dips lower, which makes snapping one up hard to resist. Remember, if you decide this doorbell fits your needs after everything we've covered, check the link in the description to catch the best deal fast before prices rise again. You might also be curious about ongoing fees. Good news here. The Wyze doesn't require monthly subscription fees for basic functions. However, if you want cloud storage or advanced features, Wyze does offer optional services that come with extra costs. So if you want to keep things truly budget-friendly, sticking to local microSD recording is your best bet. A second joke break: how many doorbells does it take to change a light bulb? None, they just ring for help. Hopefully your doorbell doesn't make you call for help during setup. Now, summarizing the pros and cons quickly. Pros include affordable price, solid weatherproofing, color night vision, two-way audio, local continuous recording capability, and voice deterrence. Cons are tricky wired installation, inconsistent app experience, video quality that can lag, lack of included cloud storage, and potential notification delays. Here's a quick tip for buyers considering this product. If you're handy with DIY and have an existing wired doorbell system, this product gives great value for money and decent security features. But if wires and occasional glitches sound like a nightmare, consider alternatives. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2's main strength is that it lowers the barrier for home security tech with a budget-friendly price tag. If you want a starting point without splurging on names like Nest or Ring, it's a good choice. The video quality and app can frustrate some power users, but for everyday monitoring by casual users, it delivers. If you want recommendations for setup, always ensure your wiring matches the power requirements: 16 to 24 VAC, at least 10 VA. Use a good quality microSD card, not included for continuous recording. And keep your app updated because Wyze regularly pushes firmware fixes that improve experience. Here's a third joke for the road. Why don't doorbells ever get lost? Because they always know when to ring home. If you buy this Wyze Video Doorbell, make sure it always rings home with you through your phone notifications. Finally, wrapping it all up. Don't be put off by the issues, but don't expect perfection either. The Wyze Video Doorbell V2 is a functional, budget-friendly home security device built for those who want value and don't mind the quirks. With proper setup and realistic expectations, it can enhance your home security and give you peace of mind watching over your porch day and night with its color night vision and instant alerts. If you're ready to give it a try, the best place to find current prices and quick shipping is Amazon. I've included the link in the description below. Remember, prices shift fast, so don't wait too long if you want to grab a deal. Thanks for watching this Wyze Video Doorbell V2 honest review. Hit the like button if it helped you and subscribe for more real talk on smart home gear. Stay safe out there.